Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, but what if I told you it actually lies in your kitchen? Today, in this video, I will be talking about 8 powerful basic ingredients that are easily found in your kitchen and can transform your skin without any side effects. No chemicals involved, and they're extremely light on your pockets. Also, these assertions are backed by solid research evidence that I have linked in the description section. You are scrolling endlessly through your social media, staring at those flawless Korean glass skins and dreaming about how to get that perfect glow. Beauty obsession is a concept worshipped since centuries by women that has been leveraged by the beauty industry, making it a $650 billion and still growing in terms of market size. It has gone even more rampant in this day and age of social media, where it only takes one viral post or a marketing gimmick to turn a beauty trend into an obsession. In spite of constant bombardment of beauty products claiming to fix your skin and give you the surreal, spotless, wrinkle-free skin, there are certain ingredients used by many established beauty brands like Sisley Paris, Forest Essentials, M Caffeine, Kama Ayurveda, Shankara, Mamaearth, and many more which are found in your kitchen. The powerful skincare ingredients that I will be talking about in this video are saffron, turmeric, curd, milk, ghee, rice flour, oats, coffee, and honey. They offer proven skincare benefits such as fighting inflammation, boosting your collagen, hydrating your skin, removing dark spots and blemishes, which is backed by research and often validated in clinical studies. Ayurveda has been an integral part of our Indian culture. Let's see how the simple ingredients help in transforming your skin within days. Number 1 is turmeric. It contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, as well as antioxidant properties. Ayurvedic texts like Charak Samhita recommend turmeric for acne problems. It protects against UV damage, boosts your collagen, and heals wounds faster. Studies show that it helps reduce acne, pigmentation, and dullness. A review in PubMed shows turmeric's anti-inflammatory, anti-neoplastic, and antioxidant properties improve acne, psoriasis, atopic dermatitis, and photoaging by tropical and oral use. Second on the list is honey. Honey acts as a natural humectant, thereby keeping the moisture locked into your skin. Its antibacterial, antioxidant properties helps with acne. This PubMed research article supports its dermatological use up to 70% in formulations. So it moisturizes your skin, soothes it, and prevents damage. The third one is milk or curd. Curd contains lactic acid and alpha hydroxy acid, also known as AHA, which helps in gentle exfoliation, improves skin's texture, and stimulates the growth of smoother new skin. It might also help in minimizing large pores, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. Raw milk is an excellent cleanser. Number 4 is ghee, which is commonly found in Indian households. It is rich in fatty acid and is deeply nourishing. It helps in skin barrier repair. Ghee's antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties aid healing, reduce swelling, and treat skin diseases. Several Ayurvedic texts prescribe ghee intake for internal lubrication and skin vitality via dosha balance. And number 5, we have coffee. It is rich in antioxidants. Coffee's caffeine improves circulation, reduces puffiness, exfoliates, and protects against UV. It also helps in wrinkle reduction and collagen boost. Caffeine is widely used in under eye creams for this exact reason. A popular Indian brand, M Caffeine, has leveraged this property of coffee and created a wide range of coffee-based products. And no, this video is not a sponsored one. We have oats at number 6. The anti-inflammatory properties of oats helps with sensitive skin and irritation. Colloidal oat act as a prebiotic, thereby boosting skin microbiome diversity, lactic acid production, and barrier function in dry atopic dermatitis. The clinical trials show reduced itch. Research shows colloidal oats are effective in treating eczema and dryness. Next is one of the most talked about ingredient and major part of the Korean glass skin routine, that is rice. Rice is a natural exfoliant and it brightens the skin. Numerous studies have emphasized the benefits of rice in skincare, ranging from its ability to enhance hydration to its effectiveness in addressing signs of aging, thereby positioning it as a promising ingredient in cosmetic formulations. Last but not the least, at number 8, we have saffron. Ayurvedic texts like Charak Samhita mention saffron as a Varna herb, meaning it enhances skin radiance. It brightens the complexion and improves the pigmentation. Saffron extract inhibits tyrosinase and collagenase for reduced pigmentation and wrinkles, while naturally promoting collagen and hyaluronic acid synthesis in human dermal fibroblasts. A PubMed review highlights its antioxidant, depigmenting, and repairing activities for treating skin diseases used in anti-aging and anti-spot products. In Ayurveda, beauty is not just external, it is a reflection of your inner balance. Hence, good nutrition, stress free, and mindful living bring that surreal glow you are aiming for. These are natural products, but their effects can vary depending on your skin type and any pre existing skin condition. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments section which kitchen ingredient are you trying first. Thank you for watching.